Can you really replace a garage door without changing the tracks? The answer might surprise you. Garage door tracks are the unsung heroes, guiding your door smoothly every day. But what happens when they wear out? In Flower Mound, Texas, many homeowners seek cost-effective solutions for garage door upgrades. Keeping the old tracks can be one of them. Before you decide, consider this. Are your current tracks compatible with the new door? Compatibility is key to seamless operation. Check the condition of your tracks. Rust, dents, or misalignment can spell trouble for your new door's functionality. Reusing old tracks can save you money and speed up the replacement process. But is it worth the potential risks? Misaligned tracks can cause your door to close improperly, leading to increased wear and tear on the new door. Safety first. Worn tracks can fail unexpectedly, causing accidents or costly repairs. Sometimes replacing the tracks is the best option, especially if they're old, damaged, or incompatible with a heavier door. For a smooth and reliable garage door replacement, consulting a professional can make all the difference. Choose wisely for peace of mind. Call us in the Flower Mound, Texas area.